Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
What's up, YouTube? Today we back with another video. Don't mind my shirt and stuff, it's probably dirty now. As y'all can see, my hair is looking a mess. I just took my braids out. Inches, it's giving shrinkage. I got stuff in my hair too, but it's giving inches. The shrinkage, don't let it fix. Anyways, today I will be putting on my wig. And I'm gonna show y'all the wig. Oh, y'all about to see it. This is the wig. This is her. Y'all, I don't know, but the hair was not turning blonde, so it's gonna be like that. And in the back, let me show you guys how the back turned out. The back up under here turned out like this. And not turned out blonde how I wanted it, but it's not ugly. So yeah, it's definitely not ugly. It's kind of super cute though. The ends is what really get me. Like, the ends look so good on this wig. We put it on my hair in this video. Yeah, we about to get it. And y'all, this wig is used, this old wig, because I want to try color hair, but I want to try start coloring hair, but I want to make sure I can color it first and see how color hair look on me. So of course I tried it on an old wig. It's supposed to be like this, but anyways, y'all, yeah, y'all, grandma about to braid my hair down for me. And so grandma braid my hair down. I'm not doing the wig cap method. I'm just going to straight down to my forehead. I'm gonna let grandma, this wig video probably gonna be quick. Grandma gonna braid my hair down, and I'm gonna come back to y'all and start putting this wig on. Period. Okay, y'all, my grandma braided my hair down. Don't play with her. Braided my hair down to the T. Okay, y'all, let me chill. I don't know where to start. Let me see how this wig fitting. I think I'm gonna get the wig ready first, then put it on my head. So let me show y'all this. It on my head. These parts where the ear goes. All that is getting cut off there. I know I gotta tint the lace. It's a lot I gotta do to this wig because it look yellow. But believe it or not, that's how this wig looked when I first got it. It was like yellow lace. But it's okay. It ain't nothing that your girl can't fix. So first of all, we're gonna start off with I'm asking my grandma, do she got safety pins? Because I need something to put into this thing right here. So while I calculate it, so I'm gonna get foundation that's close to my skin tone. Hold on, y'all. I got two. One of them not my skin tone. Hold on. Let me see. Let me get this one. Ooh. Okay, this one closer to my skin tone. Let me go look in the mirror right now. And I'm about to just begin. I'm gonna put the lace inside out, find it, and put it on top of here. Like I told y'all, this wig is old, so that's why I look like this. Well, we about to make it work. Now we cooking with grease, like my teacher be saying. She be like, we cooking with grease. Well, my old teacher, she don't say that no more because she don't right there. Yeah, I'm running. Okay. Okay, it kind of match. I'm gonna make it match more. Okay. Now I need to go get some doggone my mousse. Be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I can't find my phone lotion, but since this wet and wavy hair, anything will hold the hair back. So I'm gonna take some Cantu. We gonna clip off all this extra lace. Wait, something, y'all. Okay, y'all. Now, I'm cooking with grease. Cooking with grease, baby. Now we're gonna take this up off of here. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it above my ear things. Make sure this up here. Nice. Okay. Now, put this back on here. Now we're gonna do it with my hair. You take my edge control brush. Don't ask me what kind of edge control this is. I found it in my mama room. Don't know. I don't even know if it's gonna work on my hair, honestly. Now I'm just taking it and putting it around my forehead and pushing the little bit of edges that I do have back because we don't want them to be snatched. You wanna do this? Now, what I'm gonna do is, okay, or you could use your got to be, which I'm gonna use a little bit of got to be just to dang it. I'm gonna use some of the got to be to push it back a little bit. Just to push it back. I'm gonna get the blow dryer before I start with this. Let me get the blow dryer for y'all. And I'm just doing this so I can know where to put the glue at, since this is an old lace. So I can make sure I put the glue in the right spot. Okay, y'all. I honestly need somebody to hold that part down, but I ain't got no help, so. Is it gonna work? Is it showing up? Dang. Okay, y'all, that's not gonna work. So I'm just trying to take some foundation and go across my forehead. Y'all, this kind of funny though. It'd be funny. It'd be fun putting on wigs. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do that. I'm just pull it back a little bit. I'm gonna go get a mirror. Go get India mirror. Whatever. Shamrika has to go on. Put y'all over here, cause I'm about to be looking in the mirror. Well, I can't be looking in the camera. I'm gonna mess something up. I'm gonna blend this in too, y'all. So this line just to help me, so I won't get glue everywhere, so that my line can be more perfect on my wig.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There are no me, only you. Wanna be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be down.
I don't got time, so we about to put it on. I'm scared, y'all, so I don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna get in real close, y'all.
Do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, y'all, so I'm not finished, of course, but this is, I'm about to put the clamps in the back. I might clamp it in the back. This looking pretty good, though. Zach. Here we go. I can't find the spray, Zach. I need that spray. Down, lay down. I'm gonna go back over it with the makeup.
You, let me cater to you, let me cater to I wanna let you know, girl, that you know that I admire what you do. I want me to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, I'm gonna ask you, you fly and challenge me for the better part of you. Let me cater to you. Turn my game on. I'll push you again. Let me cater to you.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through. I miss you. And you.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Then rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby.
Okay, y'all, I finally got this wig on my head. It's not on there that good, honestly. I could do better. I'm about to go in with the makeup and kind of blend it a little bit. Okay, lay down the flyaway here. This flyaway here.
Right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in the deep, baby,
This is my hair basically, y'all. I'm gonna put some pictures and videos, and thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and out.
baby.